Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, go and open your Facebook. So after you open your Facebook, all you have to do in order to unblock someone on Facebook, just tap on your profile at the top right side. So after you come to this menu, all you have to do now scroll to down and tap on this section which says settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, go to settings. So under these settings, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says blocking. As you can see here is the option blocking. Tap on it. Under this blocking, as you can see now you can be able now to see the list of the people that you block. As you can see, I only blocked 3 people on my Facebook. So if you want to unblock them, as you can see here it says unblock. So just tap on this unblock button beside the first name. So tap on this unblock again. So as you can see now the person has disappeared. So now that's the process on how to unblock someone on Facebook. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.